Museveni yatandikira muri Kisoro aho yarambura omuhingi omuruchahi sub-county omuri Kisoro district atakizwe mu Rukarukara eyahamurwa sub-county aho yatongoza amashanyarazi aga Kabale substation.
Right. Now these crops like the ones I saw in Kisoro there, I don't know what type they are, the climbing beans. But for us in the 1996 manifesto, we had recommended 7 enterprises. Coffee, 1 acre, fruits, 1 acre, dairy, pasture for dairy, 1 acre, then 1 acre for food for the homesteads. Then in the backyard, poultry for eggs and piggery.
Hona Museveni yajango kurinda bisharara no koresa kurungi itaka nikikuru omukuhinga kurungi.
Then in the wetlands, like on the edge of the wetlands, like here, fish farming. Fish farming, you will get a lot of money. I will give you the calculation tomorrow. You will get a lot of money, much more money than you are getting from. You will give me what you are getting from this, apart from damaging the wetland.
Abebembiro kora amashanyarazi aga bayoreka ngo murumo gubagendire kurungi.
Project ehoire esigaizeho obuntu butitobo okumalira nka civil works baitu etutwaireho $1,28,000 $1,18,000 zibaire za transmission line ekurugamirama kuhika hanu $10,000 zibaire za substation enu.
We were able to complete 1 month ahead of the schedule. So there were few challenges. However, to mitigate those challenges, we were working day to night in spite of the adverse weather conditions.
Kurujira habebembezi amashanyarazi aganigija kweri hanga omukutunguka na mnonge changa cha Kigezi.
I call upon the people of Kigezi to take advantage of this very important infrastructure of energy for industrialization and wealth creation through jobs.
We would have commissioned this land, this substation way back, but we delayed in accessing this land. But finally we did, working with the members of parliament and the religious leaders, we got access to this land and the project has been completed in record time.
Nyenchakare President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni aiza kusiba mu Kanungu kandi agireho urukiko n'abebembezi ba Kigezi omuri Rukungiri gasha kwa job n'amanya apuri omuri Rubanda.